So now let's add in hyperlinks to our PDF document. So let's say you want to link this out onto a web page. So you can easily do that by going on into the edit PDF section right here. And then you can see that there's an option to add in links. So I can simply click on this right here. And over here, you have an option to whether add in a web link. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on add an edit web or document link right here. So let me just click on that. And I can drag around the text where I want the hyperlink to stand. So I'm just going to drag around just like that and leave it out. And over here, you can see that I can choose the link type. So I can enable it as a visible rectangle or an invisible one. So I want to make it obvious. So I'm going to click on visible rectangle. The line style is going to be dash, let's say, for example, and I'm going to use a color for this, for example, blue. So over here, you can also use the highlight style. So once I click on the image, I can invert it, I can outline it, I can insert it. So let's say I want to insert it. So it actually looks like a button right there. There's also the line thickness that I can work with. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to choose medium. So what I wanted to do is open up a web page. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to press next. So the page that I want it to open is youtube.com. So I'm going to press http://www.youtube.com just like that. And I'm going to press OK. Once I do that, the hyperlink has been added, as you can see. So let me just close the window right here and you can see that it is a button. So if I were to click on this, you can see that it actually goes in like a button itself. So it actually goes in, click it out, and the youtube.com will open up in my browser. So that is how you can add in hyperlinks inside of PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.